This one is quite special for me because this is the first time we have Atlas, Academix, and Eğitim. It's an absolutely huge event. I'm quite overwhelmed with actually how many counselors I managed to meet in the past couple of days. I believe that I've met pretty much everyone in all the offices. What I like about the concept of the event is obviously having the opportunity to see the counselors we as representatives struggle to go and see. So when we come to Turkey, we mainly visit the bigger cities, but here I managed to meet counselors from Konya, for instance, from Bursa, who I haven't been before, and it's really nice to see everyone in one place, I think. In terms of the event organization, I think it was absolutely fantastic, spot on. Everyone was there on time, no struggle with whatsoever. Entertainment was great yesterday. I can't really think of anything bad. I think it's an excellent event for schools to consider. I myself would be attending because we have great partnership with the agencies that are organizing this event. And yeah, I'm really happy and great event, guys. Thank you very much for having me and look forward to seeing you next year, inshallah.